Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of the constant noise and disruptions caused by your current dust collector? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we've got something special in store for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of dust collection systems and revealing the best quietest dust collectors on the market. Say goodbye to the deafening roars and hello to a peaceful and productive workshop environment. We've conducted extensive research and handpicked the top contenders that not only excel in performance but also ensure minimal noise levels. So, if you're ready to take your woodworking or DIY projects to the next level without the unwanted noise, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded enthusiasts. Let's get started on the quest for the ultimate silent dust collector. Number 1. Bucktool DC30A1. The Bucktool DC30A1 is a proper shop dust collector, whereas the Festool Midi is essentially a glorified vacuum cleaner. It can be mounted on the wall or casters depending on whether you want it to be a portable quiet dust collector. The main difference with a proper dust collector is that it has a much larger hose. Whereas the Festool connects directly to your tools, the Bucktool has a 4" hose that you basically hold near your work area. Although this isn't as functional, it does mean you can use it with any tool. In terms of noise level, Bucktool doesn't list one. Luckily, a helpful user tested it and found it puts out around 69 decibels of noise. This is on the higher end of the scale but means you don't need to wear hearing protection. The unit has an airflow rating of 550 CFM, a 3.1 cubic feet dust bag, and a 2-micron filter. This is a lot less than the Festool, but it's enough to suck out most wood and metal particles. There's also a remote starter, which is helpful if it's mounted on the wall. Number 2. Jet DC1100 VXCK. The Jet DC1100 VXCK is a fairly heavy-duty dust collector. It uses vortex technology to separate airborne matter before passing air through the 2-micron filter. Importantly, this improves filtration efficiency and waste bag packing. The removable bags have a 5.3 cubic feet capacity, meaning you can get a lot of waste in them. In terms of noise levels, this dust collector has an average output of 75 decibels. Although this isn't the quietest on this list, it's relative to its motor size. At 2,615 pascals and 1,100 CFM, it's nearly twice as powerful as the Bucktool model above. It's also still within the safe noise emission range. You can set it up with 2x4" ports or 1/6" port depending on the hose size you need. This means you can use it with pretty much any shop tool, although its size and capacity make it more suitable for static tools than handheld power tools. Number 3. Craftsman XAV 17595. It has a large 16-gallon tank capacity, allowing you to handle both wet and dry messes efficiently without frequent emptying. The vacuum is equipped with a 6.5 peak horsepower motor, providing strong suction for effective cleaning in various applications. This wet/dry vacuum can handle both wet and dry debris, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you need to clean up spills, dust, dirt, or even sawdust in the workshop, this vacuum can handle it. The product comes with a set of attachments to enhance its versatility. It typically includes a utility nozzle for general cleaning, a crevice tool for reaching narrow spaces, and a car nozzle for automotive cleaning. These attachments allow you to tackle different cleaning tasks with ease. The Craftsman XAV 17595 is designed for heavy-duty use, featuring a durable construction that can withstand tough working conditions. It is built to be rugged and reliable, making it suitable for demanding applications in workshops, garages, or construction sites. Number 4. WEN 3410 3-speed. The WEN 3410 technically isn't a dust collector like the other systems reviewed above. As the name suggests, it's an air filtration system. You mount it on the ceiling and it'll suck airborne dust out of the air. It's a useful addition to a dust collector, as you can run it after a woodworking day without you being around. Specifically, it has a 1-micron filter, meaning it catches particles missed by something like the Jet model. Its noise rating is 50 to 60 decibels, making it the quietest tool on this list. However, the Fine still wins for quietest dust collector, as this is an air filter. The bottom line is that this is about the quietest you'll get for a workshop, and it even offers a maximum CFM of 400. Number 5. Fine Turbo 2X. The Fine Turbo 2 is similar to the Festool Midi in that it's essentially a vacuum cleaner. You connect it directly to the tool, making it suitable for handheld power tools. Like the Festool, it has a HEPA filter that removes particles down to 0.3 microns in size. However, With a CFM of 151 and a 9.2-gallon canister, it's larger and more powerful than the Festool. You can use it as a standard vacuum cleaner and a wet vac, so it's ideal for general DIY projects. It's obviously suitable for use in a workshop. You might need a separate adapter for connecting it to larger tools. However, if you're mainly working with static tools, something like the Jet or Bucktool model will be more suitable. On the other hand, this could be used as a portable tabletop dust collector.